I can't tell you. I cannot tell you. But it's a scene from the last episode. That's the only hint I will give. Shooting that was fun.
Hello and welcome to Bollywood Live. This is Sanskriti, your host for today. And on Bollywood Live, we have with us Kritika Kamra, whom we know as Arohi from Kitni Mohabbatein. The actress is all set to make a digital debut with Tandav. Welcome, Kritika.
Thank you so much. Happy to be here.
The trailer of Tandav has received a lot of positive response from the audience. This is your digital debut, and share some experience while shooting for Tandav.
I'm very excited seeing the response to everything that we've put out. The trailer is out, a song is out today, my character promo is out today. A lot of stuff is coming out now, so people are getting to know, slowly and gradually a little bit more about the show. And I'm getting a lot of questions. And it's always a good sign when people want to know more about your character and the show. So I just have my fingers crossed now. Tandav, I auditioned for Tandav. Casting Bay, the casting agency, called me to audition for this character, Sana Mir. I read about it. I read the audition script and it really intrigued me. My auditions went well, and then I got to meet Himanshu, the producer, Ali Abbas Zafar, the director. And then I got the bound script and I read the whole script, and everything just fell in place. It's an Amazon original series. It's an Ali Abbas Zafar show. Gaurav Solanki's written a wonderful script. It's got a great cast. So it was perfect. It just ticked all the boxes, and I'm so happy I could be a part of it.
And you play a character of a student who has a lot of interest into politics.
Yeah.
Sana Mir is a character which we haven't seen on television or web earlier. So share something more about, Sana Mir.
I can't share a lot because that will give away the story, and I don't want to spoil the fun because we're so close to release now. Sana Mir is a complicated character. She is a student of political science, yes, and she's very politically active, and she's somebody who wants to make a difference, who also has journalistic dreams. She comes from Kashmir. That is, you don't see that part of her life, but that reference is there, that backstory, that context is there. And if you know anything about Kashmir, the history, the geography, you kind of understand, things about her. And then slowly and gradually, as the show progresses, you see more things. There is more to her than what you see, what meets the eye. And she's also a little bit, I would say, deceptive, mysterious. She has some secrets that she's hiding, and what those secrets are and how they unfold, you have to find out in Tandav.
Did you land up into this role, Sana Mir, which you have said is a very interesting role. So how did you get this role?
Like I said, I got a call from Casting Bay, and they auditioned me for it. I did like 2 rounds of auditions, and then I met the director, and yeah, that's it. That's how it happened. And when I got the call back from them saying that they would like me to play this character, I was very happy to be a part of it.
And Tandav has a stellar cast, which includes Saif Ali Khan, Dimple Kapadia, Gohar Khan, Sunil Grover, and many others. How was your experience working with each of them?
It was a great experience. It is a bunch of really, really talented actors and some senior actors and people who I've watched on screen and not had a chance to work with before. So it was a great experience. I don't share screen space with everybody, because there are so many tracks and they're all running parallelly and they all have their own journey. But everybody that I did, have scenes with, I really, really enjoyed working with them. Most of my scenes were with Zishan, and he's a fabulous actor. And so it was a great experience.
And like I said, it has a huge cast. So were you ever insecure about not being noticed or a short screen space?
No, I don't think of it like that. Like I said, all the characters are very well written and they have their own individual journey. So there was no scope of this insecurity, because it's written in a certain way. Also, there was no other character I could have played in this series. I also, when I read, I knew that I would only fit, for this character. And it did work out for me after the audition and I got to play it. So nothing like that.
Yeah. If we see your career, you began with television, and then were the most loved actress on television, and then you shifted to movies, and now to web. It was all full of risk. So, how would you describe your journey?
It's been exciting. It's been a learning experience. Honestly, I've learned so many things about what I want to do, what I don't want to do, on the job, because I started acting when I was very young. I've given television a lot of years of my life. I have done a lot of work on TV, everything, all kinds. I tried to make the choices. I tried to make some brave choices there at times, uh, and they paid off also. So I'm only thankful for the love and support that I've got for my TV shows. Then the film was also a great experience, and now Tandav is like a big blockbuster, sort of a big budget film, but in 9 episodes, so even longer than a film. So this is just the best of both worlds, actually.
And even today, fans remember you as Arohi Sharma from Kitni Mohabbatein Hai. The show will soon be like of 12 years. It will complete 12 years. So, share some anecdotes from the show.
Yes, I've been in Bombay for 13 years now, and the show will be 12 years old now, actually, very soon. Um
Yes.
it really changed my life in that sense. I mean, it sort of like became a cult kind of a show. It has a great following. It still has a very, very loyal following. People are watching repeats of it, and I get feedback for it. I mean, sometimes I just don't know how to react and how to thank these people. But it did change things for me, because I mean, it it just put me at the center of things. For all of us associated with that show, it suddenly just put us at the center of things as far as television was is concerned. I mean, how it was back then. So it really, really, that kind of opened up a lot of new doors for me, and I'm ever so thankful for it.
And we have seen your shift from TV to Bollywood to OTT. So, how different is working on these three mediums?
See, for an actor, I think your approach is not like I have different kinds of acting methods or anything. It's not like कि फिल्म है तो मैं ऐसे करूंगी, टीवी है तो मैं नहीं करूँ ध्यान नहीं दूंगी, और वेब है तो it's not like that. It's just, of course, the time spent is different on all three mediums. The attention to detail is a lot more in film and web, because there's a lot more time for you to make this one product, whereas on television, quantity is the main focus. So that is the main difference. But yeah, I'm really enjoying doing the kind of projects that I'm getting to do now. I think this is the kind of work, the kind of immersive experience that I have sort of craved for. So I'm happy to be here.
Yes. See, there are many good actors, who are being noticed now, and thanks to OTT. So, do you think this has increased the competition between actors?
I think it's actually increased the opportunities. There is something for everybody now, and there is so much work happening and so much good work happening that somebody as choosy as me also, who decides to just sit and take it easy and only work when I'm very, very excited. Even for me, I'm getting to read some very interesting female parts. I'm getting to read some scripts that I mean, that pleasantly surprise you, that people want to make something like this. Like, this is the first, Tandav is the first political drama, something that's truly, purely based on Indian politics. I mean, just the fact that things like this are happening it just makes it a good time to be an actor.
Now, coming back to Tandav, what is that one thing you will never forget while you were shooting for Tandav?
I can't tell you. I cannot tell you. But it's a scene from the last episode. That's the only hint I will give.
So,
Yeah, shooting that was fun.
so thank you so much, Kritika. It was fun chatting with you.
Same here. Thank you so much, Sanskriti.
Thank you.
Thank you.